Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Edge browser on Poco X5. To do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store. From here, find Microsoft Edge. Select it right here and click on Install. When it's ready, click on Open. Now we can begin the setup. Sign in to turn on synchronization with other devices. I'm gonna skip it and click on Sign in later. Accept or disagree with a data sharing preference and click on Confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And from here you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.